Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss part 1 of question answers of chapter 4. Okay, we will discuss the questions of this chapter in 3 parts, and next 2 parts we will discuss in next 2 classes. So, let's start the discussion of questions on part 1. MCQs are there. A marble tile would feel cold as compared to wooden tile on winter morning because the marble tile, option A, is better conductor of heat than the wooden tile, is polished while wooden tile is not polished, reflects more heat than wooden tile, is poor conductor of heat than wooden tile. The answer is option A, is better conductor of heat than wooden tile. Okay, got it, dear students. Let's move to next question. Question number 2. A beggar wrapped himself with a few layers of newspaper on a cold winter night. This helped him to keep himself warm because question is and the options are: friction between the layers of newspaper produces heat. Air trapped between the layer of newspaper is bad conductor of heat. Okay, option C is newspaper is a conductor of heat. Option D is newspaper is at higher temperature than the temperature of the surrounding. So the option B is more accurate, and then it is our answer, which it is air trapped between the layers of newspaper is a bad conductor of heat. Okay, so next question. Now, heat always flows from. We all know it always flows from. Let's see the options first. From a colder object to hotter object. No, wrong option. Option B. From a hotter object to a colder option. Option C, in both directions. Option D, none of the above. No, option B is the right answer. The flow of heat will always takes place from high temperature to low temperature. So it will move from hotter object to colder object. Next question. Paheli and Bozo measured their body temperature. Paheli found her to be 98.6 Fahrenheit and Bozo recorded 37 degrees Celsius. Which of the following statement is true? Paheli has higher body temperature than Bozo. Paheli has lower temperature than Bozo. Both have normal temperature. Both are suffering from fever. Okay. These two temperatures are different scales, but the actual value are equal. So the option C will be the right answer for us. Okay, both have normal body temperature. Okay, if you measure the temperature in Fahrenheit, then it will be 98.6 Fahrenheit. And if you measure it in degrees Celsius, then it will be 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's move further. Now, Bozo has 3 thermometers as shown in figure. He wants to measure the temperature of his body and that of boiling water. Which thermometer should be he choose? Okay. Thermometer A, thermometers first and second for measuring the body temperature. Thermometer measuring the body temp first for measuring body temperature and second for measuring first and third for measuring body temperature and second for measuring the temperature of the boiling water. Option B, thermometer first for measuring temperature of both. Option C, thermometer second for measuring temperature of both. Option D, thermometers third for measuring temperature of both. No, it will be option A. Right answer, thermometer first and third can be used for measuring body temperature, and the second can be used for measuring the temperature of boiling water. Okay, let's move further. Four arrangements to measure temperature of ice in a beaker with laboratory thermometers are shown ABCD. Which one of them shows the correct arrangement for accurate measurement of temperature? Okay, which one can be? It will be thermometer A. It has put in correct position. Okay, so next is figure ABCD shows the reading of four different thermometers. Indicate which of the readings shows normal human body temperature. Okay, as it is not correct in correctly visible in the pic, so the temperature, as we know that the normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, so the option C will be correct. Okay, if it is given in Fahrenheit, then it will be 98.6 Fahrenheit. Next question, figure ABCD shows a student reading of doctor's thermometer. Which of the figure indicate correct method of reading temperature? You can see in first case eyes of the student are in the level of the thermometer, so it is the correct way. It is the correct way to measure the temperature using clinical thermometer. Okay, got it? If you will make it tilt in like in option D, if you will place it below the eye level, okay, then it will be not be easy for us to measure the accurate measurement of temperature. Now fill in the blanks. Temperature is a measure of the what? Hotness of an object. Then question number 2, the thermometer used to measure the human body temperature is called clinical thermometer. Very right. Then question number 4, A, near the bulb of a clinical thermometer, a kink near the bulb of a clinical thermometer prevents mercury level from falling of its own answers. Okay, from falling out in its own level. Okay, the answer is kink. In generally the heat is transferred by the process of conduction. In solid, the transfer of heat will take place by the process of conduction because the actual contact is needed over there. The water and air are bad conductor of heat or poor conductor of heat. So the next question is, in coastal areas the cold air flows in the day from sea to land. It is called sea breeze. Okay, the land which blows from sea to land is called sea breeze, and if it blows from land to sea, then it will be land breeze. When we come out in sun, we feel warm, obviously, due to the high temperature. All hot body radiate heat. Definitely they will radiate heat. Now wool is a poor conductor of heat. Got it? Wool is a poor conductor of heat. Next question, true false. Let's study. Our sense of touch about hotness or coldness is always not reliable. Very true. Some may feel it hot, some may feel it cold, but we cannot rely on that. Second is the normal temperature of human body is very wrong. It is, if it will be given in Fahrenheit, then it will be a true answer, but here it is given in degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Celsius, so it is wrong or false statement. The normal temperature of human body in degrees Celsius is 37 degrees Celsius. So the next question, water at higher temperature feel more hot. Definitely, very true. Making on Marking on clinical thermometer is from 0 degree to 100 degrees Celsius. It is false. It is because of marking on the clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the sixth question is, shining thread in thermometer is the column of mercury. Is the column of mercury? Yes, it is true. Column of mercury, it is true. Next is, the materials which allow the heat to pass through them easily are called conductors. Right answer, true. Water and air are good conductor of heat. False, they are poor conductor. Next is, match the column. Try to match. Okay. Conduction takes place in solids, we all know. Convection will take place in liquids. Radiation, it will take place in require no medium. Conductors, metals are conductors, and insulators, wood, plastic, wool, air and water. Okay, so we can easily match them. The next question is again matching type questions. Land breeze. Land breeze moves in the night. Sea breeze during daytime. 1 to first, B to fifth. Dark colored surfaces. Dark colored surfaces are third to fourth. It is good absorber of heat, definitely. Light colored surfaces are poor absorber of heat. Okay, so C to fourth and D to third, we can match them. Okay dear students, today we discussed three types of questions. One is MCQs, other of fill in the blank types, and the last we studied about match the following column. Okay, match the column, matching type questions. So dear students, we will study about uh, very answer short type questions, short answer type questions, as well as long answer type questions in our upcoming next two classes. So if you have any doubt in any of the theory class as well as in exercise portion of any chapter, you can admit your queries to me. Okay dear students, so my dear students, take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, day after tomorrow on Monday. Okay, till then, goodbye. Bye bye dear students.